Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So this is a follow-up video on my first video and of my house hack. So let's go. I'm gonna show you guys what I did so far. So the only thing we really did on the exterior is just paint this bottom here. I feel like it makes it look a lot nicer. And then we also extended those gutter pieces on the top on that side because we had some missing pieces, and then on that side as well. So we did that. Now let's go take you guys to the inside. So the first floor we didn't really do much. Coming in here, come to the first floor, it's still a bit messy as everything is just getting prepared. So what we really did on the first floor are we changed the windows. So we put brand new windows pretty much everywhere. It's the bathroom, and this was already here. And as you guys remember, the kitchen is all pretty much ready to go, even though it's a bit messy right now. And then this other room here, the only thing we really did here is we put sheetrock on the top, and then we also put in this new light. Now, as far as the basement, we haven't really done much there. So we're gonna take you to the, we also have a few more windows to change in this room. One window here and one window upstairs, which I'll show you guys. But the second floor is where we really did a lot of work. So we did change this part here. The new tenants are moving in soon, so they're already in the process. So this here just looks a lot nicer. Now if you go to the second floor, you can see also this hand railing, we put in a new brackets because this was a little bit loose. So we put in the new brackets. And as far as the second floor, as you can see, we redid all the floors. The bathroom came out wonderful. You can see the tenants already started moving in, they got settled. But the bathroom came out wonderful with the tiles, new bathtub. Took out this area here and we left it as an open space. New toilet, new flooring. You can see we redid the floors everywhere. Also the windows have been changed on this second unit as well. More of the same here. Redid the flooring, windows, brand new windows. And as you can see, the kitchen is done. All we need to do is get the stove and the fridge. And all of these, the radiators, we painted them because they weren't looking too great. But the flooring came out great. And we also redid the whole flooring in the attic. So this is how it came out, and we just got this rented, and as you can see, it turned out really great. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the review of my house hack, and we already got the second floor rented. We are about to get the first floor rented, but this thing is pretty much ready to go. So if you guys have any questions, I am a realtor, so don't hesitate to contact me. Please do like and subscribe. I'm out of breath. Whew. I'm out of breath for real. All right, if you guys did like the video, you guys did enjoy, check out the first one if you didn't see how it looked before, and you guys can really see how much of a difference we've made to this house. And yeah, guys, like, comment, follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram is Faisal the Realtor. I'll put it down in the link below so you guys can follow me. But please like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. This is a great strategy for you to really get into properties, you know. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, smash that like button. Don't forget. Later, guys.